Firstly, you need a large mug. Add a quarter cup of all-purpose flour or Maida, followed by another quarter cup of Milo. Add 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder. Add a tablespoon of brown sugar and half a tablespoon of white sugar and mix the dry ingredients well. After it's combined, you will be adding the wet ingredients. Add 1.5 tablespoon of milk, a tablespoon of yogurt and 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Mix it well until there are no lumps. Microwave this batter for a minute. It's almost cooked now. At this point, you can add in some cold ganache or some chocolate bits and microwave it for another 30 seconds. The cake is now completely cooked and the ganache has melted.